supine with the head and shoulders on the mat. The pelvis is on the apex of the barrel and the hands are holding the sides of the barrel, legs are tabletop. Roll the pelvis off the barrel somewhat and rotate as you bring the knees over to one shoulder. Stay there for a moment's stretch and then return, reaching the thighs away from the belly button to then repeat on the other side. Exhale as you roll the pelvis off the barrel, reaching into that stretch, and inhale, hold into the stretch. And then exhale, return the pelvis to the barrel, reaching the legs away, holding on with those abdominals, and then repeat on the other side. Just reaching in and feeling the inhale into that stretch with the rotation.